Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT World Info. Today we are going to talk about how to create restore point of Windows 7, Windows 10 or any Windows. You can easily create restore point in your computer. So first of all we have to go this PC, properties, if you are making restore point, then if your OS is corrupted and getting some issue, then you can easily restore your restore point. Then it will automatically default your OS and getting issue has been completely removed from your computer. So click on system protection. You are looking, there are 3 drives. I am going to create restore point of OS drives, which is C drive. So click on C drive and create. And give your name of restore point. I am going to get Windows 10 restore point. You are looking that it is creating restore point. Now you have to wait for some time and it will create your restore point. So looking that restore point was created successfully. Close. And now you can configure your restore point, whatever you restored, creating restores. Here you are looking disable system protection or disable restore point to making, and you can use whatever you want to give space of restore point. I am giving 21 GB, and if you want to delete restore point, then you can easily delete here, but I don't want to delete because I want to save. I want to make a very easily of restore point. That's why I did not want to delete my restore points, and you can configure like this way. Now how was this video interesting, helpful? Then please do like it and share this video so that more people can get this information. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get this types of information. So see you guys with the new and interesting video. Thank you.